future trading, spot trading, which one do you really prefer? For me, I prefer to do what is called spot trading instead of future trading, and reason is because spot trading risk is very minimal compared to future trading. So if you think you want to know how to start spot trading in the year 2026, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through from step to step guide on how spot trading is done. And right on this update, we are going to be making use of one of the top crypto exchange platform to carry out this spot trading. So if you're interested, make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell. So guys, let's get started. To get started on spot trading, the first thing you have to do is for you to decide on which of the exchange you want to use. And for this video tutorial purpose, we are going for Bybit exchange. So once you have decided on the exchange you want to use, the first thing you will do is for you to create an account on such exchange. So as I'm using Bybit right now, after creating my account on Bybit, the next thing I will do is for me to make sure my account is fully verified. I want to check your account status. You have to come right here to this area where you see this eagle icon. So right on this eagle icon, once you click on it, you are going to see if you are verified or not. As you can see right here, my account says verified, meaning I'm fully verified. So once you are fully verified, then you can proceed to start your spot trading. So the next thing we are going to do right now is for us to make sure we have what is called USDT in our account. And if you don't already have USDT in your account, it's very easy. Just come right here to this area that says P2P trading. So right here on P2P trading, you can use your fiat currency, that is your local currency, to purchase crypto, that is USDT, in your Bybit account. And to do that, what you have to do is for you to come to this area that says buy. Once you click on this area that says buy, you are going to see a lot of merchants that are ready to actually give you USDT, and they are going to be taking your fiat currency, right? So once you are done with that, once you are done picking from any of the merchants and you now have USDT in your account, the next thing you are going to do is for you to come to this area that says assets. Once you are here, you are going to click on it. Once you click on this area, you are going to see different accounts that you can actually move your money into. So because we are going for spot trading, the fund you bought from the P2P is going to be in your funding account, right? It's going to be in your funding account, and this money needs to be in your trading account. So the next thing you are going to do, you will come right here to where it says transfer. Click on this area that says transfer. Once you click on this area that says transfer, that fund that you bought from the P2P that is going to be in your funding account, you are going to be moving it to your unified trading account. And to do that is very easy. Just scroll down right here. So your funding, that is where your money is, and your unified is going to be down, right? So let's assume I want to move some of my money right now from funding account to unified trading account. I will just enter the amount I want to move right here. And once I'm done, I'm going to come right here and click on this area that says confirm. Once you click on confirm, the money is going to move from your funding account to your unified trading account. So once you are done with that, then you are almost ready to start trading. So the next thing we are going to do once all these are done is for us to come to the home page. Come back to the home page. Once you are here on the home page, the next thing you do is for you to come to this area that says market. Once you are here on this area that says market, you are going to be seeing a lot of cryptocurrencies that you can trade on. A lot of them, right? So how do you know which one is actually profitable? That is where the works come in. So in most cases, there is a way I do my trading, and I do most of my trading based on the daily candle, right? For an example, let's say I want to trade on this coin called Nick right here. What I'll just do is for me to come right here, and I will check out the full chart. So right here, this is the full chart, as you can see right here. And from what you can see, the last day, that is the previous day candle, ended at the bullish candle. That is what you can see right here. And right now, the current candle is presently trading at the bearish candle. So this is not enough for you to decide where to buy. But if you think you are completely new to spot trading and you want to learn fully on how to get started on spot trading how to minimize your risk and how to maximize your profit. I have a full playlist right on spot trading. You can see the full playlist and you will know fully on how to enter a trade, when to enter a trade, and when to opt out of a trade. So that is not the main reason why I'm making this video. This video is just to show you how to start your spot trading. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do from here, now let's say I want to trade on this nick chain. I'll just come right here to where it says buy. So once I click on this area that says buy, I can decide to buy at the market price. This is the market price right here. Look at it, we have the market price. If I'm buying at the market price, it means I'm buying at this current price of nick chain. Okay, so let's say I want to buy at the current market price. I will just click on buy directly right here. Okay, so if I want to buy at a particular price of my choice, what I will do is for me to toggle on this buy right here. Just toggle this on and you will see market, you will see limit. So I just switch to limit right now, and this limit is giving me the option to enter the price I want to be buying my nick chain from. For an example, this is the current price of nick chain right here, 9.458, right? So let's assume I want to buy nick chain below this price. I can just say once nick chain enters $8, this trade should be taken on my behalf, and I will enter the amount of nick chain I want to buy. So $100 worth of nick chain is going to be giving me 12.5 nick chain. That is 12.5 quantity of nick chain. And once I'm done, I will come right here to click on this area that says buy. Once I click on this area that says buy, the order is going to be taken on my behalf, but it's going to be pending, right? It's going to be pending. And why it is pending is because nick chain is yet to hit that $8 price. Immediately nick chain hits that $8 price, the order is going to be taken and it's going to be activated on my behalf, and the trading is going to be live. Once the trading is live, then I can now decide to come right here again and say I want to be selling this same nick chain I bought at $8. I want to be selling it at $9, and I can decide to say I want to sell all the nick chain I have in my account. And by doing that, I'll just toggle this and shift it to the right hand side, right? I will shift it right here. Okay, so once I shift it right here, it means I want to sell 100% of the nick chain I bought, and I bought from $8. Remember, now I'm selling at $9. So that means I'll be able to make profit for myself because I bought low and sell high. So this is the simple method I use in doing my spot trading using my Bybit or any other crypto exchange of my choice. So right here, let me show you some of the samples of my completed trade. Right here, I will come to my history. That is my trading history, and from right here you can see order history, right? So when you see order history right here, you can see this date, that is 04/17, just about less than 24 hours, right? If you can see, I sold BNB that I bought right here, and this BNB right here, I sold it at $320. When I bought this BNB, I bought it at around, so right here, this is the order. I bought this BNB at around $314. That is what you can see right here, and I sold it at $320, meaning I've made around $6 profit for myself. I bought low and I sold high. That is how you can run your spot trading effectively. You buy low when the market is down and you sell high when the market is high. Okay, very, very simple. But remember, this is never a financial advice. Always do your due diligence before you start trading crypto at all. This video is only for educational purpose. Can you see how simple spot trading is just by using your Bybit app? If you want me to make video on how to use other crypto exchange to run your spot trading in the year 2026, drop a comment in the comment section and I'm going to make the video for you. You can watch this video right here or watch this one right here to learn more way to make money right in the year 2026, right in the crypto space. Bye for now, guys.